first matching value, but I don't want this. I want the last matching value. So to do that, I'm going to add 3 commas here and go to the 6th argument, which is an optional argument, but it allows me to specify the direction of the lookup. And if I do not specify anything, it goes from first to last, but I can also ask this to go from last to first. See what happens now when I hit enter? It gives me PAM, and the same can be done for the date. So let me lock these, and I can then drag this formula. So I'll press F4 to lock this, and I would press F4 to lock this. Now I can drag this, and it gives me the names of all these people who were the last hire in each department. Similarly, I can do the same for the date. So it would be X lookup. This would be my lookup value. This is the department. The return array would be the hire date, and comma, 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 -1, enter. And this gives me the right result. Again, let me